Okay, as soon as you exit the Nemo ride here at Walt Disney's Epcot, this is a gift shop to Walt Disney's Nemo ride. As soon as you come here, they got some fancy rocks that you could buy for $5.99 per rock. Right here, they got some plushes. Cute little turtle. And there's Dory from Finding Nemo. Here's the birds. Mine. Like they got it in different languages here. I always like to buy coffee cups wherever I go. There's a sweater that you probably don't use in Florida too often. Some bucket hats up there. Let's say mine. It's kind of a cash cow that those birds are. I know if you go and you stay at Art of Animation, they have those birds. And they'll go off like every 15 minutes or something like that. Here is a shark. Hang tough. Hangry. And take a look at these fans. $15, but look how big this fan spreads out to. It says hangry, and it puts off a lot of wind in case you're hot. Might be a smart purchase there. All right, over here, some more merchandise. $35. This will get you this little mermaid gadget. If you have a sweet tooth here, here's all kinds of lollipops, sour belts, gummy characters, and suckers. Look at that. They got one of those Kodak instant film cameras. You don't see those too often anymore. Here's some more Disney jewelry. And if you're a pin collector, they got a large assortment of pins here. You can put them on this keychain. The pins range from $13, $15 to $17. And here's some more. I noticed a lot of the newer ones have like this shiny coat on it right here. I thought that would be like the 100-year anniversary, but it's not. There was one really cool pin right here. This is the one that I really liked. This is Walt sitting down. This is the newest statue that they have outside of Epcot. All right, and that concludes the gift shop here at Walt Disney's Epcot outside of the Nemo ride.